Do you sometimes feel invisible or undervalued by others? Do you want to become respected in any situation? Whether it's your personal or professional life, you can actually learn how to command respect and be taken seriously by everyone around you. In this video, we will reveal the 13 secrets to commanding respect in any situation. From body language to communication techniques, you'll learn how to project confidence and authority. Trust us, the tips and tricks shared in this video will change the way people perceive and interact with you. So don't miss out. Watch until the end to discover the power of commanding respect. If you are new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos and leave a comment below saying, "I subscribed." I will try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. Let's start. Number 13. Dress to impress. The right outfit can make all the difference in commanding respect in any situation. It's not just about looking good, it's also about looking professional and polished. Taking the time to dress appropriately shows that you care about yourself and respect the situation. Wearing a well-fitted outfit that exudes confidence can be a great way to show that you are a person of authority and should be taken seriously. A well-put-together look can give you the edge you need to command respect in any situation, so put your best foot forward and dress to impress. Number 12. Be the best at what you do. Respect is not something that is given, it is earned. If you want to command respect in any situation, the answer is simple: be the best at what you do. Whether it be in the workplace, the classroom, or on the sports field, success will earn you the respect you deserve. Showing mastery of a subject or skill can be extremely difficult, but with hard work and dedication, anyone can become the best at what they do. Once you have achieved success, others will look up to you and recognize the effort you have put in. Respect will follow. So take the time to become the best and you will be rewarded with the respect you deserve. Number 11. Be firm but polite. Respect is not achieved through aggression, but rather through kindness and firmness. Whether you're dealing with a peer, a subordinate, or a boss, the key to getting respect is to be firm but polite. When you are firm but polite, you show others that you are confident in yourself and your beliefs. Being firm but polite also allows you to get your point across while still being respectful to those around you. This shows that you can stand up for yourself and your beliefs while still showing respect to others. Respecting yourself in any situation is a skill that takes time to learn, but will help you be more successful in the long run. Number 10. Listen carefully and respond thoughtfully. Commanding respect requires you to listen carefully and respond thoughtfully. When you take the time to truly listen to what is being said, you show that you value the opinion of the other person. This shows that you are open to hearing their point of view and that you are willing to consider their ideas. Also, when you respond with thought, you show that you have taken the time to think about what they said and come up with a meaningful answer. Doing this will show that you are an important part of the conversation and that your opinion matters. Number 9. Be humble but confident. People naturally gravitate toward those who show humility while still exuding an aura of self-assurance. To get people to respect you, try to keep a sense of dignity and avoid appearing arrogant or condescending. You can show that you can make good decisions and deserve respect by being willing to listen and learn while still coming across as confident. When it comes to commanding respect, remember that actions speak louder than words. Demonstrating your confidence in a respectful, dignified manner is the best way to show that you are worthy of respect. Be willing to admit when you are wrong and to learn from others. Number 8. Don't allow yourself to be cut off. No matter what situation you are in, one way to command respect is to remain assertive and not let yourself be cut off or interrupted. Whether you are in a business meeting, a family gathering, or a social gathering, standing up for your position and having the confidence to express your opinion can show others that you are serious and not to be taken lightly. Make sure to say what you think and feel clearly and respectfully, and don't let yourself be ignored or brushed off. Speak up and make sure your voice is heard. Showing others that you have something valuable to say and are not afraid to say it will demonstrate that you are a person of authority and deserve respect. Number 7. Stick to your convictions. To command the respect you desire, it is important to stick to your convictions. No matter the situation, it is essential to stay true to what you believe in and not back down. Doing so will demonstrate that you are confident and committed to your values. If you remain consistent with your beliefs, then those around you will recognize the strength of your convictions and will respect you for them. When faced with a situation that challenges your beliefs, stay firm. Do not be swayed by peer pressure or popular opinion. Speak up and stand your ground. This will help you command respect from those around you. Show that you are passionate and unyielding in your convictions, and people will admire and respect you for it. Number 6. Know when to seek advice. No matter the situation, it is important to know when to ask for guidance. Knowing when to accept input from others and when to stand firm in your own opinion is a skill that can help you establish yourself as a leader. When it comes to getting respect, making decisions based on good advice and staying sure of them can be very helpful. When you have the assurance of a knowledgeable guide, you can make better decisions and be more comfortable with your choices. A trusted advisor can give you the support and confidence you need to make sound decisions and command respect from your peers. With the right advisor, you won't have to worry about making the wrong decisions and will be more likely to gain respect from those around you. Number 5. Don't be afraid to disagree. Another way to command respect in any situation is to not be afraid to disagree. Disagreeing respectfully and constructively shows that you are confident in your ideas and beliefs and that you are not afraid to stand up for what you think is right. This can be difficult to do, especially in a tense situation, but it is important for demonstrating respect for yourself and for others. By respectfully voicing your opinion, you can show that you value your own opinion and those of the people around you. Number 4. Avoid gossip and criticism. The best way to command respect is to show it to others. Avoid gossip and criticism, and instead focus on being a positive and uplifting person. Showing respect to all those around you, regardless of who they are, is a surefire way to command respect in return. Gossip and criticism can be damaging to relationships and make people feel devalued. Taking the high road by avoiding these behaviors and instead focusing on positive and constructive conversation will ensure that you are seen as a leader and respected by those around you. If you don't talk about other people or criticize them, people will be more likely to take what you say seriously and respect you. Number 3. Stay calm in a crisis. A strong leader knows how to stay calm in a crisis and commands respect in any situation. As the famous saying goes, in times of crisis, the best thing we can do is remain calm and collected. To be a good leader, you need to keep your cool and stay in charge of the situation. This will allow you to make sound decisions, listen to others, and clearly communicate your expectations to those you are leading. Additionally, a leader must be sure to stay calm and remain focused, even when emotions are running high. Number 2. Compliment your competition. Another way to command respect is to compliment your competition. Show respect for those you are competing against, and the respect will be reciprocated. When in a competitive environment, instead of competing in a hostile manner, take the time to recognize and acknowledge the hard work and dedication put in by those around you. This will show that you are confident in your own abilities and humble enough to see the value in others. This can also help to build a positive atmosphere and encourage collaboration and cooperation. By complimenting your competition, you can create an environment of mutual respect and appreciation. This will make it easier to work together and achieve a common goal. In this way, you can command respect without having to resort to aggressive tactics. Number 1. Be decisive and take action. Leadership is not about being in charge. It's about taking care of those in your charge. To be a good leader, you need to be able to command respect in any situation. You can do this by being decisive and taking action. Leaders should have a clear vision of what they want to achieve and be willing to take the necessary steps to reach their goals. They should also be confident in their decisions and not be afraid to take risks. Leaders should also tell their followers what they want to accomplish and show that they have faith in their choices. Respect is earned when leaders show they care about their cause, give clear instructions, and treat their followers with respect. Final thoughts. The purpose of this video was to demonstrate how to command respect in any situation. Doing these things will help you gain the respect of those around you. Respect is the key to successful relationships and successful experiences. Remember to stay true to yourself and respect those around you in all situations. Now, leave an honest answer in the comments section below. Do you agree with this list? Is there anything you'd like to add? We'd love to hear from you. Now, you need to watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. It will show you 10 signs your personality is more attractive than you think. Make sure to watch it now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.